She was driving down the road at the end of a rope when it happened. Took a dive off a cliff, wanting it to end. But the stump that got placed on that hillside stopped her desperate fight. And there he appeared on that lonely road, a rescuer in white. Jesus drives a pickup truck as white as fallen snow. He rescues us from the darkest places where no one else can go. He knows our darkest fear and our deepest pain inside, and so he lifts us up, he carries us, and in a pickup truck with Jesus we ride. She was standing on the hill, didn't know what to do, what had happened. When he reached out his hand, said it would be okay. For the man that got placed on that hillside had come to save her life. And as she looked into his radiant face, she finally saw the light. Jesus drives a pickup truck as white as fallen snow. He rescues us from the darkest places where no one else can go. He knows our darkest fear and our deepest pain inside, and so he lifts us up, he carries us, and in a pickup truck with Jesus we ride. So she rode with Jesus, and oh, what a ride, till she saw that he was her Savior, and she gave him her life. Jesus drives a pickup truck as white as fallen snow. He rescues us from the darkest places where no one else can go. He knows our darkest fear and our deepest pain inside, and so he lifts us up, he carries us, and in a pickup truck with Jesus we ride. So in a pickup truck with Jesus